Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Seneca Woodworking, and I want to give you an update on some changes we'll be making in the near future to our social media, especially our Instagram and our YouTube channel. I've been a maker as long as I can remember. It's something I'm super passionate about, and it's something that's in our blood, in our DNA as a company. I love looking at social media and seeing the projects you guys are building, seeing new skills and just learning and expanding my own creativity. And I realize, thanks to your feedback, that we could be doing a lot more to giving back in this area as a company. I've also learned that, in the short time I've been doing this, that the products we make are so much better when we get your input and get your feedback on the process. So starting today, we're going to be pulling back the curtain, showing you an insider's look at what's going on behind the scenes at Seneca Woodworking. We're going to be putting our product development process out there so you guys can get more involved and we can do better at creating products that are what you guys need to help with your daily workflow and the projects you're making. And hopefully we'll have some fun doing it. So if you haven't been over there, get on over to YouTube, give us a follow, and I'll see you there.